welcome back to my channel. I'm Anantika with you all, and welcome to the Ecstatic Anantika and the very new and very connected show, which is connected with the True Tales podcast, which is presented by BTV Tripura in collaboration with Ecstatic Anantika. Here I am with the game segment with Alisha Chakravorty. So let's start it.
Okay.
So the first game.
First, give me the rules.
Yeah. So the game is known as spill and sip.
Okay.
I will ask you some questions.
Hmm.
If you are answering that, then you don't have to sip.
Okay.
If you are skipping that, then you have to sip.
Okay.
Like by sipping, we will understand that what you are avoiding.
Okay.
So the first question is,
Hmm.
have you ever lied to get out of a work meeting?
Yes.
Okay. Who was your childhood crush? Okay, guys. So, your most embarrassing on stage moment.
One day I was performing and one cockroach came in the script stand. I
And-
screamed
On the stage.
on the stage.
Like you were singing song that time.
No, that time interlude was going on.
But still the singing,
Still,
like
yes,
part
yes.
of the.
Yes.
Okay. Ever secretly disliked a gift someone gave you?
Hmm.
Obviously, I know
Hmm.
that. Have you pretended to be on a call to avoid someone in public?
Hmm.
The last time you Googled yourself, have you ever Googled yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe 1 year ago.
What you Googled? I want to know.
I just wanted to see when I Google what images come for
Okay.
mine.
Okay, I don't want to talk about the mind. Okay. A fashion trend you just don't get.
There are many.
Like one or two.
I'm not remembering. There are many fashion trends currently going on.
I want to say one which I
Yes.
definitely not like. Wearing a sari
Hmm.
like this way, you know?
Yes.
This what does that mean?
I
if
don't
you're
know.
wearing sari, then wear like a sari.
Wear properly.
Yeah, or else
Otherwise,
you-
wear Western outfits. No.
Exactly. What's that? Like this is not even Indo-Western.
No.
That is very like
That is
bullshit.
just ruining the sari look.
Yeah. Have you ever snooped on someone else's phone?
I have snooped on my husband's phone.
And other than
No.
other than that, okay, does he knows that you snoop?
Yes, he
on his-
knows.
Okay, does he
Even,
also snoop your phone? Like
He-
it's
no.
a like a rule or like random?
Randomly.
Okay, okay, then it's like fun. Do you sing in the shower?
No.
You are being a singer. Why?
I don't sing in shower.
Okay, okay. So like non-singers sing in shower, I
Maybe.
guess. Cause I'm not a professional singer, but I do sing.
No, when I sing, I just matlab,
Humming.
not humming. I concentrate on the imperfections and try to sing it properly. So that
During
is
shower.
all time. So this
Okay.
is not possible during shower. So
Okay.
maybe that's why I don't sing.
Okay. Singer things. One job you would be terrible at. You okay, guys? So this was our spill and sip game, and we will go to our second round, which is known as fill the feels.
Okay.
Means I will say one statement, but
Hmm.
half. You
Hmm.
have to complete that statement. I'm happiest when.
I'm with my son and my husband.
Okay. My God, if you अगर तुम skip कर देते husband part.
नहीं skip करना नहीं है.
अच्छा. Okay, guys, we know how much she loves his husband, and undoubtedly he loves you too. I know that.
It comes both ways.
Yeah, everything
comes both ways.
I get angry when.
Anyone sing wrong lyrics
Like regarding singing only.
regarding singing.
Okay. I feel most loved when.
I see my husband. Just looking
So
at him.
cute. You are being that spooky. You know what is spooky?
No.
Okay, you're millennial, right?
Yes.
I'm millennial, but I know I know I'm not millennial. I'm Gen Z, but I belong to millennial phase more. But I know all this. Means spooky means you're the cute,
Okay,
soft,
okay.
soft girl, and I'm cute, happy. That one. If I am unsure what to do,
Mhm. I sleep.
okay, best way of most of the girls, I guess.
Everyone.
Everyone. Okay.
Everyone.
I don't know much though. I do this. So yeah.
It's a win-win situation.
Yeah, actually. A song that always lifts my spirit is
Mm, there are many songs, mainly Rabindra Sangeet.
one song. তোমার খোলা হাওয়া.
তোমার খোলা হাওয়া, যেতে যেতে একলা পথে, বিপদে মোরে রক্ষা করো.
Okay. I feel most like myself when
I'm with my family.
I cry at.
I never cry.
Yeah, from that I want to ask one question. I know that Ranga never cried. Ranga never cries. But have you really, like, from childhood till today, like জন্ম হওয়াটা সেটা আলাদা ব্যাপার, like from childhood till today you have never cried, or like situation
no.
made you strong?
Situation made me strong, and from childhood I never cried. Yes, I don't remember
Okay.
that when I cried. Maybe at the time when I was born
Okay.
only.
I'm most proud of.
My father.
Okay. I feel peaceful when.
I'm at home.
I feel inspired by.
My father.
Okay, so that's all for our game segment. So there are some questions which मुझे धमकी दिया गया
Okay.
that मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा,
अच्छा.
and that is none other than from your husband.
Okay.
So first question is, do you love him?
Obviously.
And when do you get angry at him?
जब रात को मेरा बेटा उठता है और मैं साइड में उसको देखती हूँ सो रहा है.
तो वो क्या करेगा? उठेगा?
हाँ.
तो उसको नींद में समझ नहीं आता.
मेंटल सपोर्ट तो चाहिए ना.
अच्छा, तो उसको कैसे समझ आएगा? तो तुम बुलाया करो.
मैं क्यों बुलाऊं? उसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
नींद में बेचारा कैसे सोएगा?
नहीं, उसको सुनना पड़ेगा. मैं कैसे सुनती हूँ?
Okay,
मदरली इंस्टिंक्ट जैसे होता है ना, फादरली इंस्टिंक्ट भी होना चाहिए.
मतलब वो लाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
अच्छा, okay. So then this question is very funny. Is he only asked me to like ask you, is he I forgot, तुम क्या गरम
I got it.
like your son is Kately and like
I'm Geezer.
something like
Yes.
that only.
He always used to say this.
Okay, so is it
थोड़ी शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड हूँ, इसलिए वो मुझे चिढ़ाता रहता है ये बोल के.
और बेटे को भी मिल गया?
हाँ, बोलता है कि मुझसे मिला है.
Okay, there are more two questions which I
Okay.
forgot, and I'm really sorry for that. So we will end this here. And
Okay.
that's all. And don't forget to watch our podcast, my podcast especially, the True Tales podcast presented by BTV Tripura in collaboration with Ecstatic Anantika. You will see the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, comment this one, and what's next you are wanting in my YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned, stay happy, stay blessed. Love you.